Hey, Jake, what you thinking about? Jake, what are you doing?
I'm trying to think how I would start this video. You know what? You know how a rapper would start this video?
No, I don't.
Well, first of all, he'd be bald and be like, "Listen, 305 worldwide headquarters, pack out, yeah, yeah." Jacob all here, and we've got another quick tip. So, I'm not selling anything in this video. All I want to do is answer a question. Everyone asks me, how do you lock up a pack out? Lockout. So, there is a guy working on some latches that plugs that go in here to keep you from doing that and this. But let's say you want to keep from opening this. I've got a padlock on here, and that's as far as it'll open, okay? So I will go ahead and put in the super secret combination. All right, open, okay, close. Now, a couple people have suggested using cable locks, and I'll show you why that's a good idea and why that's a bad idea. So, I've got one of these master cable locks, and I am going to weave it through these holes. So you take something like this and say you put it around a post or a door frame. Not a door frame, a latch. Okay, at this point, let's just say you do that. You still can open that, right? So if you get it tighter, so you do something like that. That will work to a point, but there is enough slack in this that somebody can go like that, and once they do that, they now can open the door and dump everything out. Okay? Look at that. Okay. So, we'll disrespect the black pack out. Okay? We'll take this back off. Combination locks. Put them on, lock it. So now each one of the units can't be opened individually. Okay, then take the cable lock. Imagine this is on a job site, and this is not a sawhorse. Take these and run them through the metal of the locks. You can even run it around one of these rails, go around a column, post, something. Cinch it up so they can't get into it. And now it's going to be nearly impossible to open that up, to unlatch these and do anything opening wise. You see? So you've got two scenarios now. One, they can't get into this pack out and they can't take the whole stack off the site. If you put these cables just around the stack, they can just roll the whole stack off. The other thing that's perfect for these cables is that you can latch this, you can run this cable through one of the hooks in the bed of your truck. So if you're trying to stop a quick snatch and grab, the cable's definitely going to be the way to go. Now, somebody with a good pair of cutters is going to be able to go through one of those cables. You can get thicker cables than this, and then you can run that thick cable through there. I would not run it through your handles because this is just plastic. And run it through as much metal as you can. Remember these rings from Milwaukee are metal reinforced. I have not tried to destroy one. So it's called a Python, and that's a master lock. And then these are just generic combination locks. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. So like I said, I'll put the links in the description for these. But these are brand new, so these haven't even been in the bed of the Raptor. You can see the Raptor up there. Yeah. But I have a tonneau cover, and typically what I end up doing is my handle pops off because I use the quick pins, and this fits under. So this one actually hasn't been out in the wild, but if I were going to lock it in the bed of a truck or lock it on a site, this is how I would do it, and this is what I've heard a lot of other people do. So get yourself some combination locks or key locks, and then get one of these cable locks. So thanks for watching. This is another Jacob L. Quick Tip. If you guys have any other questions or requests, leave some comments. Otherwise, pack out.
Oh my gosh, who are you now?
What? Forget 2 chains. I'm 2 Packouts.
Oh my.
Wait, 2 Packouts. Woo! Boy, where's Biggie? Flavor Flav!
Oh my gosh, I'm ready to go inside. It's like 11 something at night. All right, need a hot shower, lay in bed and get comfy. Jake,
What?
are you coming? Are you gonna come inside?